Big San Pedro fam! Welcome to Big Talks, where your real life questions are directly answered with biblical truths. I am Pat, and we have here our speaker for tonight, Brother JJ. Thank you, Brother JJ, for delivering God's message earlier. So, this is our question. In this age of social media, where we are surrounded daily with different noises and voices, how can we clearly know if our decision is aligned to God's will? And how can we determine if it is God's desire and not just our personal motive?
Well, first of all, thank you for that wonderful question, Sister Pat. Unang-una, kailangan alam natin yung salita ng Diyos. So, know His Word. So, kasi pag hindi natin alam yung salita ng Diyos, hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung general will mismo ng Diyos sa atin. Pangalawa, to have an intimate relationship with God. Kailangan intimate yung relasyon natin sa Panginoon mismo. Kasi tulad nga ng pagiging intimate natin ng relasyon sa pamilya natin, tulad na sa tatay man natin, sa kapatid man natin, sa nanay man natin, madali natin malaman kung ano yung saloobin ng bawat isa. Kasi intimate yung relationship natin. At pangatlo, lahat ng gagawin natin, iisipin natin na ito ba ay makaka-glorify kay God. So in everything we do, we must glorify the Lord. Para yung decision natin, alam natin na yun ay glorifying kay God, then aligned siya sa will ni God kasi hindi i-contradict mismo ng word ni God ang will niya.
All right, so there you go, guys. Hope that helps you to realign your heart to God's desire for you. This is Pat for Big Talks. See you again, fam.